If you want to have powerful and perfect spike, you should have a perfect 3-step approach. So, watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to Volleyball Shoyon channel. We are glad to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe us. Stay tuned. Attention, you should be patient in every step. You need to practice well to learn it. If you are right-handed, the spike starts with left step. And if you are left-handed, the spike starts with right step. Start position. The first step is short. The second step is long and with a lot of power and speed. The third step is also short, and finally the spike. Hands position. In the first step, both hands are in front. In the second step, throw both of your hands back. Throw the hands back at the same time. And in the third step, throw the hands from back to front. First step is like you're walking. Second step is long, and the first part of foot that is placed on the ground is the heel. When the tiptoe reaches the ground in the third step, jumping starts. In second step, the foot has an angle of 45 degrees, and in third step has 70 degrees. We have more exercises and tips about steps in volleyball, so subscribe us and turn on notifications.